Imagine you're in a quiet room. Suddenly, your stomach growls loudly. Everyone looks at you, and you feel embarrassed. But did you know this is completely normal? Borborygmi is the scientific name for stomach growling. This sound occurs whether you're hungry or not. It's your digestive system getting to work. Every 90 to 120 minutes, muscular contractions happen. These are called migrating motor complexes. They sweep through your intestines, keeping everything moving smoothly. When your stomach is empty, noise becomes more pronounced. With less food present, sounds aren't muffled. These growls can be hunger signals or just digestion sounds. Some people's stomachs are naturally louder. This can be due to various anatomical reasons. Variances in size and muscle tone play a role. Now, let's visualize this process. Here's a clip showing people experiencing stomach sounds. You can see animations of intestinal waves moving food. Look at ultrasound images of actual stomach contractions. Notice how food travels through 30 feet of intestines. These images of cross-sections help explain the digestive system. Peristaltic wave animations demonstrate how food moves along. And sound wave representations show different growling types. Surprisingly, your stomach cleans itself during fasting. It uses this time to clear out debris. Eating small, frequent meals can reduce growling sounds. Different growl patterns can indicate your digestive health. For instance, loud growls may suggest hunger or an empty stomach. Now you know the science behind those embarrassing sounds. Remember, Borborygmi is a normal part of digestion. Want to learn more about digestive health? Subscribe for more fascinating insights today.